Hey guys, I'm kind of crooked right now, but I just wanted to say I had winter cheer tryout today, and I made it, and I'm really excited. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm just gonna do some burps. Oops, sorry, I'm not pressing anything. Sorry. Okay. Alright, that just sounded weird. And all my, like, a lot of good friends are, on the cheer squad, so I'm excited. Alright, so here's my burp. Oh, I have soda here. I just remembered, somebody asked me to request to do burps with soda. I'm just gonna take small sips because I don't want to drink it all right now. Last one because it's almost gone. I need to branch in my Oreos. Oreos. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do right now. Comment, like, inbox me, do like fun requests, maybe even dares for a truth or dare. Or like truth, I don't know. But don't make them ridiculous. I'll tell you if I'll do it or not. Alright, bye. Peace.